Umpqua National Forest today. We drove about 4 hours south of Portland and we made it here late last night. It was a long drive and about 2 hours of it was in the dark with a ton of deer like jumping all over the road. But we got here about 9 o'clock and we pulled in and we found Chris. We saw his car at the entrance to a hot spring and we decided it'd be really fun to go to the hot spring at night, watch the stars, and soak in some springs, and I'm really glad we did. It was beautiful. It wasn't too bad of a hike. It was pretty short and it was really pretty. And the hot springs were gorgeous. It's like a bunch of little pools on the side of a cliff. They're really blue. They're really hot. It was just sick. We hung out there till about 12 a.m. last night. It was beautiful. There's tons of trails, some hot springs, a ton of waterfalls. So we're gonna explore that today and hopefully see some cool stuff. The footage that follows is a series of unfortunate events. Viewer discretion is advised. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I'm not doing that. No, no, no.
Damn, baby.
No, no, no.
Go swimming?
Yeah. Shine!
Well, baby's gonna be sad.
I made a mistake.
Got insurance on? No, we Sean.
Our love was beautiful, but now it's gone. Our love was beautiful, but now it's gone.
All right, we're back on the trail again.
Hopefully this time with 0 drone killing incidents, which should be pretty easy since we already killed ours.
Ooh.
This is where the incident happened. Against all better judgment, we continue onwards.
Well, there's a lot more to check out in this national forest, but we're running out of daylight. We really want to see the drive out.
Yeah, it seems like there's a ton of stuff to see here, like waterfalls and hikes and little nooks and crannies with cool stuff, but alas, we must forge on, lest it get cold in Canada.
Yeah.
Onward and forwards.
Let's get scooting.
Scoot. Should we wash our hair?
Yeah. Ooh, it's a little chilly, but not too bad. I would say.
Like that one over there. That looks like a good hair washing candidate right there.
Here we go. AC to DC charger isn't working, we're going to
Make coffee on fire.
make coffee on a fire.
Because of the wonderful things it does.
All right, we decided to hike this fall. We're gonna do it.
What's it called?
Watson Falls.
Just when I found something special.
It's funny, baby.
Where did you get this?
I found them for free.
The clock is ticking in midnight. I keep on watching time pass by, but I just can't walk away. Just
The
can't
waterfall.
walk away.
That's ours. Do you like it?
We called it.
Well, what did you think of Watson Falls?
Golly, it was gorgeous.
It was gorgeous. You could shower under it if it was warm enough outside. I almost wish we were dirty just so we could go shower in it. It would be miserable, but it would be good fun.
Some of our most memorable things are just miserable, but in retrospect, it's great fun, you know?
Well,
How memories work. Takes bad experiences and turns them into funny, like, oh, that was so cool.
now it's time to see if our brakes fail going down this mountain.
Please work. Please. I want to go see stuff. Good
cold.
morning.
We're wet.
What?
And
Cold,
we're going.
rainy day in Oregon.
We're going on an adventure.
Going on an adventure. Yesterday we went to Crater Lake, and honestly, it was a little bit of a letdown. Wow.
This is massive. I wish we could see it.
I know. I'm sure on a day where it's not filled with smoke and you can actually see it, it's beautiful. But yesterday, it was so smoky. Like you couldn't see across the lake, you couldn't see the water, you couldn't really see anything. And it was so smoky, it gave me a headache, and I was not in the mood. I want a nap.
Let's go take a nap.
This is really cool, but like, I want a nap. I mean, this crater is pretty cool looking, but have you ever had a nap? Slept in the smoke. And now we're at Diamond Creek Falls. We're gonna go on a 2-hour hike to go see some waterfalls. We're making the best of the Oregon weather.
Everybody wants a piece of me. I'm a lonesome man making history. They say we're all just raindrops in the stream. And everybody likes to look at me like I'm Norman Bates or I'm Palpatine. It's a shame even with that smile they take the seasick crocodile.
Oh shit. Oh, you got that on video? Great.
Yes.